Yo, you already know who this is, man. It's Thule Murray. I brought my condoms, I'm ready to fall. By nature. Yo, shout out to those Albanian girls that be inboxing me all the time. Do what you do, kid. Niggas is hating on you because of your style, your confidence, no fear, no nothing, man. You know what I mean? Hell yeah, you already know I do me, man. They say they just jealous. All these dudes never seen something like you. Just pop out of nowhere, man. You know what I mean? And now I'm just like, these niggas is funny, man. Hating on me so bad, man. Why you hating me so bad? Huh? You never met me. Ask your favorite Albanian rapper if you go to this concert, yo. Hey rapper, do you fuck with Thule, what Thule be saying? They will tell you, man, that boy is too real with this shit, man. You know what I mean? He has no fear. He has to say fuck to me. You know what I mean? Come on, man. How you fuck around like this, man? You know what I mean? I love getting them mad. They're like, yo, you make these people mad, too. I was like, fuck it, so what? I'm living my life. They gotta live their life. Good shit. Get it tough. I brought my condoms, I'm ready to fuck. I'm a freak by nature. Y'all already know who the fuck I am. Porno stamina. Never fuck. I hate you. Yo, I confused Albanians with my style, man. That's what it is. I confusing y'all with my style, man. You know what I mean? Shout out to all my young kids out there that be following with me, man. Just live it up, man. Fuck this gossip shit. Fuck this jealousy shit. We doing it right now, man. Yeah. Hey, yo, to dudes out there that's tough and bad, man, listen, man. That want my head, listen. If you see me out there, do me a favor. Do not pull a sucker shit. Hit me from behind. Face to face, fuck it. You beat me up, you beat me. I've been beaten up before. It's no problem. But just do not do that. That's the biggest sin in God's earth you could do, man. Hit people from behind. You know what I mean? Just tap me. If I'm somewhere and just be like, yo, Thule, man, I don't like your videos. I want to fight you. I say, okay, you're one of those people I'm talking about. I gotta fight you now. You know what I mean? But just please, don't do it where we don't see it. You know what I mean? It's like really, it's like fighting a baby. It's like a 25-year-old fighting a 3-year-old baby. You know what I mean? When you don't see it coming, man, that's bad, man. Just let me see you do it to my face so I can see who I'm doing it with. You know what I mean? Just don't do that sneaky shit. If y'all hate me, y'all jealous of me, whatever, but just give me the opportunity to look who the fuck is what, man. Just don't do that sucker shit. You know what I mean? Because other than that, we doing it till fucking... You know who the fuck I am, man? I'm my lost baby, baby. Ooh. Yeah. How can you not chill with... Yo, you know what I mean? Albania, the real gangsters say we want to chill with you, man. You just that cool motherfucker, man. We're the coolest. You hear me? Hey, yo, to some Albanian girls out there that's telling me, yo, don't... You gay for shaving your eyebrows. Y'all just mad because I got better eyebrows than y'all. You know it's the truth. Bitch. Ow. Woo. Hey, they hate on me now, too, man. Girls be throwing shots at me, too, man. You know what I mean? Look at your boy, bro. Hey, we confident, we sexy, we do what the fuck we want to do. If a bitch think I'm ugly, I move on. You know what I mean? Yeah. I confused Albanians with my style, Mare. Shout out to all the realest motherfucking Albanians out there. I fucking love y'all, man. You know what I mean? I'm ready to fuck by nature. And shout out to the Albanian girls out there that be saying, do your thing. You're just a cute boy that be doing this thing. You're better. You know what it is, man. Modeli Dibras, Mare. Onye Modeli Dibras. Whoa, onde faz a stone, Mare. Can't fuck with Thule, man. Hey, what they say, man. Yo, remember me. I'm a broke motherfucker. And this dude say, yo, Albanians is making fun of you. I make fun of myself half of the time, you dickhead. You know what I mean? I'm a broke nigga with $0 in my pocket. Driving a $400 car with nothing on it, man. We ain't even got brakes in this motherfucker either. This shit be squealing like crazy, man. What you doing, man? Who does it the best, man?
The Kid Big Mike.
Can't fuck. Peace, man.